Student friends, in yesterday's lecture we studied photodiode as one of the special diode that works in reverse bias condition when light radiations are allowed to incident on it. By allowing light radiation to incident on it, it generates the photocharge carriers, and generated photocharge carriers are dragged toward the respective polarities of the externally connected battery and allows current to flow through that. Such a diode, we can call it as a photodiode. We also studied the applications of the photodiode and its specifications. Friends, today we are going to study another special diode known as tunnel diode. Student friends, we are well aware with the tunnel. Tunneling action means to go through that. In Marathi, we can call it as it is a bogda. The region below the bridge is called as tunnel. Sometimes while traveling, your vehicle goes through the tunnel. You might be observed on the television that the train is running through the tunnel under the bridge. So all the aspects are associated. For your understanding purpose, what do you mean by tunnel? Here, the motion of charge carriers through the diode takes place by tunneling action. That's fine. The modified simple p-n junction diode is called as a tunnel diode. In simple diode, charge carriers will cross the barrier, will cross the junction for conduction purpose when it is forward biased. But in tunnel diode, charge carriers are passed through. That's why the action of motion of charge carriers is like passing through the tunnel to make the p-n junction diode conducting. That is the reason why the modified diode, we can call it as it is the tunnel diode. And such a tunnel diode is obtained by increasing the doping concentration of the impurity atom in the normal p-n junction diode. So this is what to be done to convert simple p-n junction diode into a tunnel diode. One has to increase the doping concentration, means one has to add more impurity atoms while formulating p-type and n-type of semiconductor, and then those are joined together so as to get a modified diode by changing its characteristics, by changing its property of the simple p-n junction diode, and so new diode obtained is known as a tunnel diode. This diode is invented by Leo Isaki. So that's why this diode is also named as Isaki diode. Let us go details of the same. So friends, when concentration of the impurity atom is greatly increased, means largely increased, in normal p-n junction diode, its characteristics are changed, and the resulting new diode known as a tunnel diode, it is invented by Dr. Leo Isaki. Hence, it is sometimes also known as Isaki diode. Means by adding large number of impurity items in a simple p-n junction diode to change the characteristics of simple p-n junction diode. This property will be invented by Dr. Leo Isaki, and so generated diode is either called as a tunnel diode or it is called as a Isaki diode. Friends, in normal p-n junction diode, impurity concentration is very small. Due to this, width of depletion layer is of 1 micron that constitute the barrier potential at the junction that allows current flow due to motion of charges. In normal p-n junction diode, impurity concentration is less. Due to this, width of depletion layer is comparatively small. It is of the order of 1 micron, generating the barrier potential at the junction which controls the flow of charges to control the flow of current. Due to this barrier, due to this depletion layer, the charge carriers does not cross the junction till sufficient energy is provided to overcome the barrier potential. Means to make the simple p-n junction diode conducting, we have to apply the external battery whose voltage should be increased more than the barrier potential so that this voltage is sufficient to cross the charge carriers with that particular barrier potential associated with the depletion layer. So this is how the conduction aspect is brought in simple p-n junction diode. Now, when we increase impurity concentration in simple p-n junction diode, width of depletion layer is further reduced. Due to this, charge carriers penetrates through the junction with the velocity of light, even though no sufficient energy is provided to overcome the potential barrier. That is the speciality. That is how the characteristics of simple p-n junction diode is changed now. Means in simple p-n junction diode, when impurity concentration is increased, that reduces the width of depletion layer further. Due to this, charge carriers doesn't need external power supply. They directly penetrates the junction with the velocity of light without applying energy, sufficient energy, not necessarily to be provided to overcome that particular potential barrier. Means even though without applying the external power supply, without providing the additional sufficient energy to overcome the potential barrier, the charge carriers will now directly penetrate through the p-n junction. The process of penetrating the charge carriers through the p-n junction without applying the sufficient energy is known as the tunneling action. Charge carriers will pass through, go through, penetrates through without applying the sufficient energy, and that is the speciality of the tunnel diode. I think you are following, student friends. Try to understand the difference between simple p-n junction diode and tunnel diode. In simple p-n junction diode, the small barrier potential is there of the order of 1 micron. Depletion layer is there. Therefore, in normal condition, the charge carriers will not cross that particular barrier. But when you apply sufficient energy by means of an external battery, which will make the charge carriers to cross the barrier and allow current to pass through the p-n junction diode. But when impurity atoms in simple p-n junction diode is increased, it will generate the less barrier potential with a less barrier, small size depletion layer. Due to this, without applying the external energy, without connecting the power supply, without applying the no sufficient energy, the charge carrier will penetrate through the junction. And the action of penetrating the charge carriers through the junction is known as the tunneling action. And the diode so generated is called as a tunnel diode, and this peculiar property is first invented by means of Dr. Leo Isaki. So that's why same diode is called as the Isaki's diode. So friends, due to this, large forward current is produced even though applied voltage is less than 0.3 volt or 0.7 volt for silicon. This phenomena of penetrating the charge carriers directly through the potential barrier instead of climbing over the junction, it is called as the tunneling. The materials used to manufacture such a tunnel diode are germanium or gallium arsenide, are the materials which popularly used to construct the tunnel diode. Such a tunnel diode is represented in the next figure. So this is what the tunnel diode which is represented. It is same as that of p-n junction diode. No change in that. Only what is the change? Change is width of depletion layer is small, barrier potential is less. But it is analogous that on one side there is a p region having the majority charge carriers holes, minority charge carriers as the electrons along with some ions. In n region, majority charge carriers are electrons, minority charge carriers as the holes along with some ions. It has anode, it has a cathode. No need to supply the power supply, even though without applying the power supply, as a barrier depletion layer is less than 1 micron, the charge carriers will directly cross the junction, penetrates the junction from both the sides and allows current to conduct the current through the diode. Such a diode, you can call it as it is a tunnel diode, which is represented in this particular figure. Naturally, it works in forward bias condition because in forward bias condition, width of depletion layer is further reduced, for which we are well aware. When it is forward bias, the tunneling action will become more and more faster. This diode is invented by means of an Leo Isaki. That's why this diode is called as Isaki's diode. The symbol of tunnel diode is represented here. This one is cathode, whereas this one is anode. Or it is also represented like this. This is also the symbol of tunnel diode, whereas this one is also the symbol of tunnel diode. The flat portion is anode, the pointed portion is cathode. Now let us go for the IV characteristics of tunnel diode. Dear students, by connecting this particular tunnel diode in a circuitry with proper power source that forward biases the p-n junction diode, and by measuring current flowing through that particular diode and the voltage developed across that particular diode, by plotting the graph of current flowing through the diode versus voltage developed across the diode, we get IV characteristics of tunnel diode, which is represented in this particular figure. In this particular graph, what the graph represents. So this is the nature of the graph of current passing through the PN junction tunnel diode and also the voltage developed across the PN junction diode. It has a peculiar characteristics that explains. In reverse bias condition, this is what small it is represented, but it is not operated in the reverse bias condition. In forward bias condition, when voltage is 0, current is 0. When voltage increases, current also increases. Look at here. Up to this. When current becomes maximum for a particular voltage, at which a particular peak we have detected, maximum current that we noted, that particular point at which at particular voltage current is maximum, that point we can call it as it is a peak point. And that maximum current at peak point is called as a peak current. The voltage at that particular point, it is called as a peak voltage. This we are describing from the nature of the IV characteristics of the tunnel diode. From the nature we can say this is the point where current is 0, voltage is 0. In this direction voltage is increasing. In this direction current is increasing. From the nature we can get as voltage increases, current also increases. At a particular point, current becomes maximum. That particular point is called as a peak point, and current at that particular point is called as a peak current. Voltage at peak point is called as peak voltage. After that, even though voltage is increased along x direction, x axis, current through the PN junction diode decreases. This is the speciality of the tunnel diode. After peak point, even though voltage is increased, current starts decreasing. This is against the Ohm's law. What Ohm's law states? Ohm's law states that when voltage increases, current also to increase. Voltage is directly proportional to current. This implies that increase in voltage should increase the current. As like this, here is increases in voltage, increases the current. But after the peak point, even though voltage is increased, current decreases. This is against the Ohm's law. As increase in voltage decreases the resistance, this particular region we can call it as it is a negative resistance region of the tunnel diode. Generally, when Ohm's law is obeyed, V is directly proportional to I. V is equal to IR. We can write it as that R, whatever it is obtained, it is a proportionality constant, and that is called as the resistance, and that resistance is positive in Ohm's law. But in this case, it does not obey the Ohm's law. It is opposite to that of Ohm's law. And that is the reason why this diode has got a negative resistance region. So this negative resistance region will continue. That means decrease in current through the diode with increase in the voltage will continue till voltage becomes particular. That particular voltage at which the current becomes minimum, that particular point we can call it as it is the valley point. The current at this particular valley point is called as the valley current, and the voltage at the valley point it is called as the valley point voltage, VV. After valley point voltage, further increase in voltage across PN junction diode, tunnel diode, again current starts increasing. This shape, look at here, this shape is like a valley with a deep structure at this particular point. So that's why this point is called as the valley point. व्हॅली आपण मराठीत त्याला काय म्हणतो, दरी. So this is the point to which we can call it as it is the valley, where voltage is maximum but current is minimum. After this particular point, again increase in voltage increases the current passing through the PN junction diode. Such a characteristics is obtained as far as tunnel diode is being considered. Friends, this characteristics is same as that of unijunction transistor, that is a UJT, which we are going to study in the last topic of your syllabi, where we are going to study 5 power devices. Friends, such a peculiar diode is used in the different applications. First one, it is used as high switching device. Ultra high switching device means wherever fast switching is required, wherever switching device switching speed should be fast. In such a case, it can be used as a switching device. It is used as a memory storage device, means to save the data. Tunnel diodes are used to construct the memory. Tunnel diode is used as a microwave oscillator. In microwave communication, to generate the microwaves, it is used as a microwave oscillator. Friends, its characteristic is same as that of a UJT. So that's why tunnel diode can be used as a relaxation oscillator to generate the waveforms apart from sine waves. Means triangular waves, sawtooth waves. Are generated by using this particular diode. An oscillator that generates the waveforms apart from sine wave is called as a relaxation oscillator. Student friends, these are some of the applications of the tunnel diode. Students, this much we have to remember about the tunnel diode, its construction, how simple PN junction diode can be converted into a tunnel diode. What is the action of tunneling action of that particular diode? Then its structure, its symbol, explanation about the IV characteristics of the tunnel diode and its applications. Next time we'll go for next type of the diode known as a varactor diode. Today we'll stop here only.